Recent advances in technology. Advances in technology are revolutionizing our modern world. Let's take a look at some of the most recent advances. With the invention of quantum computers, scientists have dramatically increased their information processing power. By using quantum mechanics, they have made it possible for computers to perform large numbers of tasks simultaneously. It is also predicted that quantum computers will have major applications in weather prediction, risk assessment, and other fields where complex data is processed on a large scale. Blockchain is essentially a digital ledger or spreadsheet, and each block can be thought of as a page on which we keep track of data. Everything is recorded permanently on a shared network, making it an extremely secure way to record monetary transactions. Consequently, it has led to the rise of digital currencies or cryptocurrencies around the world. It has other useful applications too, even being used by some non-profit organizations to track the migration patterns of endangered species. Massive leaps in printing technology have opened up a new realm of limitless potential. Through a process known as additive manufacturing, where material is added in layers to create a three-dimensional object, 3D printers are capable of making almost anything, from toys to houses. The world's brightest minds have developed an algorithm, a set of rules for computers, which allows machines to learn and teach themselves to perform tasks that they were not originally intended to. We are already seeing the benefits of their research in the form of virtual assistants on smartphones, but there will undoubtedly be an array of incredible applications for this technology in the near future.